Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to show you my memory keeping layout for the week of April 13th. Um, I am skipping a week because I have something else planned for this week. Today is Wednesday, April 8th. So I'm looking at this layout for next week, and I've decided to use clouds and hot air balloons from the Cocoa Daisy free printables. If you are not familiar with Cocoa Daisy, they offer free printables that you can download every month that go with their the current kit's artwork and style, and anybody can download those. They are free to everyone. You don't have to be a subscriber. Here is a sort of a pre-layout that I already did. I cut out all the clouds and whatnot, and then I sort of just laid them on top of the pages, and then I took a picture of that and printed it out because I didn't want to forget. I didn't think I'd be able to recreate it from memory. So I'm using that as sort of a guide as I go. So um, yeah, I'm going to use the printables, clouds and balloons, and right now I'm getting ready to just washi the top and bottom of my pages. So from here, I'm going to sort of just fast forward you. So here we go. All of a sudden, I'm going quickly. So I'm using some of the rainbow washi from Cocoa Daisy, the Up and Away kits, up at the top, and then I'm going to use some of the green washi that came in the kits also down at the bottom. I normally on my Happy Planner layouts, by the way, this is the big Happy Planner. The pages are 8.5 by 11. So it's the large format Happy Planner for memory keeping. And normally, there are 3 blocks per day. And normally what I do is have one block be decoration, one block be journaling, and one block be a photo. And this time I decided to be just a little bit more free form with my decoration, and I'm thinking that I may not put any photos on this layout. Next week we'll see how it goes, because I'm going to have um, clouds and balloons all over the place. It'll be hard to slip photos in because really none of the blocks are going to be perfectly rectangular by the time I'm done. You'll see here in a minute. But right now, I've just pulled out the sticker sheet from the planner add-on kit, I think, that has these little flag stickers with numbers. And so I use these for my dates because the Happy Planner I have is undated. So I'm putting those up. You can see the green washi strip I put at the bottom. And now I'm going to take all of my die cuts and run them through my Xyron sticker maker. So this machine is like the greatest thing ever. The brand is Xyron, Xyron. I will link it down below in the comments, or the description rather. But basically, you can put down anything that's mostly flat, fairly flat. Like for example, all these things that I've cut out, and you roll it through, and it puts adhesive all on the back. And then you can peel it up and put it down as a sticker. So you can use die cuts, you can use anything, like I said, that's mostly flat. So here I am recreating sort of the layout that I had already done in that photo. I did make a few changes to it, but I mean, I don't know. As I was going along, I kind of decided to change a couple of things, but that's cool. Mostly the idea is the same. So you could see that I had the one that I did already there on the side as sort of a guide. The theme for this particular week is clouds. And so I wanted to use the cloud shapes in the printables, but when I did just the clouds, it looked just a little bit sparse, and I wanted some color. So that's why I decided to go ahead and add the balloons. So you see how I'm putting the clouds just basically across, like right there across the middle of the boxes. I've got them on the lines of the boxes. Like, there would be no way for me to come in later and add photos unless I did smaller photos and just sort of put them here, there, or everywhere. Basically not paying attention to the boxes. And I don't know, maybe I will end up doing that. But what I was thinking of is that I would basically just be doing some journaling, so that the picture here, all of these items really just sort of stand out. Putting some of the die cuts going off the page helps it to fill it up and make it kind of look like it's something big. So there you go. I mean, that's it. Gosh, it's done. Boom, 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 just like that. And I think it's really pretty. I hope that you see how easy it is to make something like this just with your free planner printables from Coco Daisy. I'll link those down below as well. And come visit me on Instagram. I'm at TeachPlanCraft, and I hope you guys have another great week. Bye.